Mbere ni ati munene wa Aruti Wira wa muingi kana munene wa Aruti Wira wa muingi niwe Felix Kosgei augite ati thirikari ya mutongoria wa bũrũri Daktari William Ruto ndikuunira riitho muruti wira owothe wa muingi uria ukunyitikana na ungumania. Akiaria iceraini rake wabiciini cia kemsa, Kosgei nianiriire na kuga gutigithio wira kwa aruti wira 200 a ruhonge ruru rwa kemsa oriri mogarurukuini mangi maria magwikika ruhongeini niguo kuhuthia kana ukorwo makihuthia mirihire ya aruti a wira thiini wa ruhonge ruru rwa kemsa.
Then from the second one, this is County.
It is unfortunate that the first series of significant anti-corruption actions by this administration are once again in kemsa. It is unfortunate that as the new administration was walking in, the first call of duty in as far as stopping corruption on its tracks landed in kemsa. All of us know that this organization has suffered the unnecessary dispute of grand corruption and tainted the overall image of the government, both past and present. You know that when people out there are talking about corruption, the name kemsa comes in every other minute. This has been done like kemsa, or it is not as bad as kemsa, or this is worse than kemsa. This has to stop. I have noted that from 1st July, the contracts of 200 staff members rendered redundant will not be renewed as the organization adopts a designed performance and service-oriented organizational structure. So, if you are exiting, don't mourn. Exit knowing that you have exited to make kemsa work.